Yeah. So where are we, Elise?
Hoover Dam.
Excellent. Okay, what are you going to do, Scott? Pour a bit of water over the side. Go on then. Fantastic. Let me do this from this side. Do it again. I'm still recording. Gently, just I can zoom in, hold on, let me just zoom in a little bit. That's enough, Scotty. Yeah, go on then. That is so cool. It might look even better from this angle because we've got the sun behind you. Mm-hmm.
And then get Scott to make it seem like he's throwing it at you.
It's just as windy this side. Go on then. Hold on, let me just zoom out and come back, do it a bit further.
Should I?
Yeah, do it again then. That is so cool, isn't it? That is brilliant.